If you have a young teenager, preteen girl, this is the perfect hair dryer or gift for her, or even an adult woman because I love it. Anyway, it's a really good price as well. It is a negative ion, and it is a freaking amazing quality. I have another one just like this. I am linking this for you guys. It is on a great price for the holiday, so don't miss out. Let me pull it out here so you can see it a little better. So this is the hair dryer. It does have different settings right here, and it'll show right here the setting it's on. Like I said, it's perfect for like a teenager or a little girl starting to do her hair all the time, and I love the details on here. Look at these flowers. Aren't they stunning? And it does have one of those as well. So I'm linking it. Grab it up.